I got a 1999 Buick LeSabre in here. Nice little wedge job. I think I'll keep these. I might need them for something someday. Yeah, it's got a window issue. I guess she rolled up the window and then all of a sudden it just made a loud noise and came slamming down on her. I'm pretty sure it's got a window regulator problem. That's usually what goes on with these. Yeah, it's not attached. So, I'm going to get the door panel off of here and probably show you how to do a window regulator. First thing you want to do on these is take this ashtray out. I'm going to pull on this side. That just comes out. Unplug this. Get this out of the way. Pull this out from this side. Give it a pop. That comes out. The panel clips all around here. I don't think there's any screws in this. You just get behind here, give everything a pull. I don't know, you can use a screwdriver or panel tool of some kind. Oh wow, there's a screw right here. Okay. Get this light out of here. They hit a Phillips screw on me right here. Okay, I got that light bulb out and that screw. Now you just pull all these little clips out. Make sure they're all pulled out. And pull this straight up. Just like that. Unplug this. Now there's a bar right here. See this metal? There's little plastic tabs here. These plastic tabs. You just go in here with a pair of pliers and squeeze this together. Pop these out. Then once you got these tabs out, you just stick them right back in here like so. Looks like they can go either way. Probably don't matter. There. Somebody's been in here before. Take these clips out. That one and that one should be glued in. Pull this stuff out of the way. I'm going to take this body module, door module out of here too. I might as well. I'm going to unbolt that. It's a couple 10 millimeters. probably be easier for me to work on. I just get this out of my way. Unplug this. Unplug that. There. Now I can see what I'm doing. Wow. Get the little foamy thing out of here. So yeah, like you can see whenever you got a cable like this and it goes up and down on its own, that regulator's no good. So I'm gonna find one, put it in here. Okay, now on this I can't get the window all the way up because this cable's bound up. So I'm gonna want to cut this cable. I got it all pulled out of the way so I can actually get to it. And yeah, they don't cut easy generally. Okay, I got this cable cut. It was real fun. The reason why you do that, well, the reason why I did it is because I had to get this all the way up and it wouldn't go. And the reason why is because there's two holes right here. You got to get the window all the way up so you can get access to these two bolts. Them are the clamps for the window. And I use them wedges because it came with the car. You can wedge it or use tape. Just tape the window up or whatever. You get it in that position and you take a 10mm and you get those two bolts out. Yeah, if you look at the new one, it's actually a pinch clamp. You loosen these bolts and it just pinches down on the window. I got the year of this wrong too. I opened the door and it said 5 and 99, so I thought this was a 99, but I looked at the VIN code before I bought this regulator and the VIN code was a Y, so it's actually a 2000. You want to be careful of that. You look at the 10th VIN just to make sure. So yeah, I don't need to take these all the way out. I can just loosen them up. And then there's should be like 3 bolts in here, I think. There's this nut, 3 nuts I need. There's a plug back here for the motor. You want to unplug that. You got to kind of push down on the tab. You can't get your finger in there and pull out. You want to be careful too. This stuff can be really sharp sometimes. It cut you wide open if you're not too careful. Oh, that's tight. Doesn't want to come out of there. It's hitting the window. There it is. Yep. It does look like the right one. So you're going to want to loosen these up. Just get them so they're about like that. That way they're nice and loose. Like that. Try to stick this thing back in the hole. This stud's kind of a booger. I don't like it. Okay. Get these 3 tight. plug the motor in. I'm going to plug this module in, so I got to roll the window up now. Well, I got to roll the regulator up. Plug all that junk in, turn the key on. Try that again. There we go. You want to roll this up until it lines up with that window. Okay, I got it up. I can see the 2 bolts now. Yeah, everything looks good. Alright. So I can tighten up my bolts. You don't need to be really tight, you know, don't go cranking real hard on them because you'll just start breaking stuff. These pinch really well. See, like you can see I'm holding my hand on the ratchet like this instead of way out here and cranking on it. Get a better feel. It's short and I know I won't over torque it. There. And that should be working. Oop. Take my wedges out. Works. Yep, that's just fine. And these little tabs, they get bent pretty good when you squeeze them in to get. So I'm going to kind of unbend them. Just a little bit. Just enough to get them to work again. Those are okay. There's a little metal rail here. See that? I'll get this out of the way. Yeah, this metal rail, that's got to go over this lip. And just one at a time, you want to line these little clips up with the holes. Start with the top first. Pop it in. Those are all lining up. Yep, those are lining up. Push the center in. Yep, those work. Yep, then we're in. Put this screw in here. There. That's it.